Okay, so here's how you're going to access the rubrics. So go into your Faculty Online Engagement Cohort A course. You're in here as an instructor. And then scroll down to where it says Grade Center. And then this button here that says Needs Grading. Okay? And it'll take you to a page that shows everyone that has completed the submission page for their project. Now you'll have to cross-reference this with the 4 people that you were assigned. And if you've forgotten about that, you can just go to that OneDrive folder that I made for all of you that has the Faculty Learning Community Resource folder, and then it says the divided roster, so you would go over here and say like, oh, that's right, these are the people that I'm supposed to be looking at, right? And so then you would come back and find them here. Just for the purpose of this video though, I'm just going to pick the first one. So let's say you were assigned Lisa's. You would click on her name in blue, and then it takes you to her attempt page. And what you're going to see is the submission text, right, that says, my capstone's ready for review. This is where it's a little tricky. See this little blue drop-down arrow thing? Okay, I don't know if you saw that. So underneath grade, underneath attempt, there's this little thing. You open it, and then it says view inline rubric, so the online engagement. And then this is where you can go and actually punch in the feedback and then actually like type whatever you want to say to her. And then you would click save the rubric, and then there would also be a button that says submit. And that's what you would do to give her her feedback. Okay. What I'm going to recommend though is that in addition to having the rubric right here, that's how they get the digital feedback. But for your sanity, I would also maybe print or have open a copy of the hard rubric. So like in order to do that, you would go course schedule and policies, grading rubrics, and then you can open up the actual rubric for, so this is the non-digital version of what I just showed you. Does that kind of sort of make sense? If it doesn't, email me back. Okay.